It's our wake-up call at 7:45, trying to get some work done.
Back roads, but they don't get us on the tolls.
We only had an hour and a half drive to our next destination, which was on the outskirts of Tulsa, Oklahoma. This was our first time staying at a Corps of Engineers RV park. These campgrounds are often situated near lakes and rivers and known for having spacious and level spots and very budget friendly. And they offered a 50% discount with the America the Beautiful Senior Pass. Our spot had water and 50 amp electric service, but no sewer hookup. So we visited the dump station upon arrival and upon leaving to empty our tanks. We paid $12.50 a night, a real bargain. But what we didn't know about was the damn horn.
It's our wake-up call at 7:45, trying to get some work done. And that's the damn alarm.
The damn alarm is right.
Damn alarm.
That damn alarm.
Keystone Dam. And this is how loud it is inside the coach. This is the third alarm.
There was a note that we missed, that while it was typically quiet here, that water releases from the dam were preceded by several warning signals from a horn. And this was a safety measure for anyone in or near the water below the dam. It was quite a surprise to us, to say the least. Now, we weren't just in Tulsa the year before, when we traveled the length of Route 66 on a fantasy RV tour. There are many interesting things to see and do in Tulsa, and I highly recommend a couple of days stay there. Here are some of the highlights from 2024. visit to Tulsa was just a few days of chilling out. We visited Welltown Brewing, which had some excellent brews. The bartender, Nick, was very informative and recommended some places in Memphis to us, and we tried 8 different varieties that night. We did get a little bit of pickleball play in, and then we were off and headed to a new state. We stopped for a night in Altus, Arkansas, and visited Coast Winery.
Good morning from Arkansas. We had a couple of mellow days. Stayed at a Harvest Coast, a nice winery, last night in Altus, Arkansas. We need to stop for diesel this morning. And where are we headed today, Charles?
We are headed to Tom Sawyer's RV Park in West Memphis, Arkansas, which is just over the Mississippi River from downtown Memphis.
And why would we be staying there?
Well, there's a few things to see in Memphis.
Origins of the Blues.
Civil Rights Museum we're going to hit.
This is going to be a great couple days.
We're going to catch a Grizzlies basketball game. Yeah.
I can't wait.
We really appreciate you following our journey. If you could like the video and subscribe if you haven't, and help us get to that 100 subscriber mark, we would appreciate it.